Mayong buntag mga higala and welcome to Let's Learn Cebuano. I'm gonna teach you a very short line today. So, if you wanna invite someone to have coffee with you, whether it's token or sincere, you just say, Kapita. Kapita. Kapi is for coffee and ta is you and I. It is short for kita. Okay? So, that's how we say, let's have coffee. Kapita. And if you are in the Philippines, inviting for food or for anything is kind of tricky. And I will discuss that with you next time. So, thank you. I hope you'll be able to use this very short expression. And see you next lesson.